for some cotton candy. We're gonna make some cotton candy. Welcome to my page. Are you excited to make cotton candy? I am. This is our first time making it, so let's see what happens. We have to wait till the light turns on. Okay guys, put sugar in here. Make sure it's even. Stir the cone around. Now where is the tablespoon? I don't know where that is. Swirl, swirl. Add more sugar. What is going on? Look guys, it's coming. They're like little bugs. How cool is this? Next time we use color sugar. Hooray! Unless you discover why. I think we need some more sugar. There we go. This is so yummy. Here we go. I feel. Where's our cotton candy? Yes! Candy party. Happy candy party. Happy candy party. Happy candy party. Happy candy. Let's try this one more time. Isn't this so cool? Tasting time. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.